Why is an all-in-one so important? What is the value in buying that complete package?
So what we're doing here is we're simplifying the installation process for integrators. So this comes in 5 columns. They hang right on the wall. You populate the pixel cards, it plugs right into wall, single 20 amp circuit, and you're ready to go. You power it on just like an LFD. So really trying to simplify the LED process for people who want a large wall and not need to integrate, not want to put forth a lot of the back-end work that needs to happen on that.
And of course, that brings down the cost of integration because it's much easier to hang, much easier to align, and easier to use. So what is it that sets yours apart from all these other bit players out there?
Great, I'm glad you asked. So what our all-in-one uses is the same chipset as our PNME series. So what that means is from 43 inches all the way up to our 165-inch all-in-one, it's the same user experience. So if you had, let's say, a small huddle space with one of our smaller PNME series, let's say a 65-inch in a huddle room, and a large all-in-one in a large conference space, it's the same user experience for the end user. So they come in, they can interact with it the same way, no matter what size the screen is.